Assalamualaikum, myself Nida. I am from B.Ed Part 1. So today my presentation topic is the role of motivation in class. First of all, definition. Motivation is a process in which the individual attention and interest are aroused and direct towards definite goal. Motivation, as the name suggests, is what moves us. It is the reason we do anything at all. For teachers, a lack of motivation has long been one of the most frustrating obstacles to student learning. While the concept of motivation may initially seem fairly simple, motivation is used in psychology as education to boost and direct student behavior. It points students in the right direction and attempts to keep them going in that direction. Types of motivation. There are two types of motivation: intrinsic motivation, extrinsic motivation. So, intrinsic motivation, when motivation comes from internal factors to meet personal needs. We do things because we enjoy them, not because we have to do. Intrinsic motivation means internal or inside of yourself. For example, dancing, cooking, singing, etc. When motivation comes from internal factor to meet personal needs, we do things because we enjoy them, not because we have to. Intrinsic means internal or inside of yourself. When you are intrinsically motivated, you enjoy an interest, a course of study or skill development solely for the fulfillment of education and having fun. Intrinsic motivation is a type of motivation in which an individual is being motivated by internal desire. Extrinsic motivation. Extrinsic motivation is the type of motivation in which an individual is being motivated by external desire. Behavior is driven by external rewards. Example: money, fame, grades, and praise. Extrinsic motivation, a type of motivation, comes from external factors that are given or controlled by others. This type of motivation is everywhere and frequently used within society. Extrinsic motivation is a type of motivation in which an individual is being motivated by external desires. The role of motivation in classroom. Learning is an active process that needs to be motivated and guided towards described, and students are more likely to pay attention and try to understand the material instead of simply going through the motions of learning activity. Motions enhancing cognitive processing. Motivation actually affects what and how information is processed because motivated. A motivated teacher is crucial in creating a successful learning environment. They will look at teaching through a different lens, and in doing so, motivate their students in their learning too. Motivation helps to energize, direct, and sustain positive behavior. Over a long period of time, it involves working towards achieving and tailoring activities to achieving this purpose. It also helps to drive creativity and curiosity, sparking the desire needed for students to want to learn more. Advantages of motivation in classroom or education. First, motivation directs behavior toward particular goals. Motivation determines a specific goal toward which pupils strive. Thus, it affects the choice students make. For example, whether to enroll in an art class or physics. Motivation also leads for increased effort and energy. Motivation determines whether a student will pursue a task or a lackluster attitude. Motivation increases the initial and persistence of activity. Motivation enhances cognitive processing. Motivation actually affect what and how information is processed because motivated. So that's it. Thank you for listening me.